Waterfowl hunting is about to go cutting edge. Black Cloud FS Steel. Black Cloud is loaded with cutting-edge Flight Stopper steel shot for more devastating penetration. Flight Stopper steel wreaks havoc on impact. The cutting edge increases lethal damage. The Black Cloud load features 40% Flight Stopper steel shot mixed with premium steel for more consistent shot patterns and more devastating wound channels than other steel loads. And that's just part of the story. Black Cloud utilizes the proprietary flight control wad for a controlled release of FS steel shot. Greater downrange pellet velocity and energy. Quicker to target. And ideal patterns for waterfowl hunters. Black Cloud FS Steel.